Last video, Lizzie and I are challenged to name any vehicle before the timer runs out so we can win the cash. But this time, we're gonna name any animal. Start the timer. Starting off with elephant,
A nice, easy one. Cat.
dog,
Pig.
lion,
Chicken.
rooster,
Llama.
sheep,
Wolf.
camel,
Eagle.
skunk,
Iguana.
alligator,
Crocodile.
monkey,
Horse.
zebra,
Butterfly.
firefly,
Yak.
x-ray fish,
Vulture.
caterpillar,
Tiger.
sharks,
Fish.
squid,
Lobster.
bird,
Panda.
grizzly bear,
Polar bear.
wiggly worm.
Oh, goodness. No, no. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think.
You still haven't gotten it.
No.